Motorsports. That was fast. So this is my skid plate. Hardware and instructions. Nice. Maybe I will install this today. Beautiful, super heavy skid plate. And this thing is thick. Yeah, it was came out to $204 shipped, and I guess you guys will join me on my install. Stay tuned. All right, so let's get that plate installed in this thing. All right, so now lift the car up. Once it's on jack stands, the first thing you have to do is take off this splash guard. So there's a 10mm bolt on that side and also on the other side, and then there's these. Then there are two 8mm bolts on both sides as well. So get those out so you can take off the splash guard. All right, so I got the cover off. Now you got to remove these bolts, nuts and bolts for the steering rack. Hard. You're gonna need a jack to hold it up. And then what I did was it's hard to see on camera, but I marked all of the holes, 7 of them, and then now I'm gonna go ahead and drill them out. Next one. All right, so all 7 holes are drilled out. Next thing is make sure you coat it with something because you don't want to leave any metal exposed. All right, so I got the plate in. It's bolted down in the back. Now the only catch here is this bolt right here. Behind it, there's a plate there, and it doesn't let you. I wouldn't be able to put a nut on that side, so I'm not gonna mangle my car for it. These other ones look like more than enough. So take this bolt back out, and yeah, not bad. It's an easy job.